What's good, kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. So listen, I am so excited about today's video because we are doing a look inspired by Birds of Prey. I love Harley Quinn. I love anything Joker, Jester, Clowny, Vigilante. Like, I love it all. She's a badass bitch. She's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. She's crazy, just like me. So I was like, you know what? Let me get on here and do a look inspired by Birds of Prey. Like, why not? The movie's coming out soon, and I like the colors that she rocks. I just wish I had the whole outfit. That way I could really like give you guys like the whole entire look, but it's okay. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Brian, also known as Venus Soleil, as you can see from my channel title. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like to see my face some more, because I would love to see your face some more, even though I can't actually see your face. Please excuse my face. I know I'm looking like a crunch bar, but it's okay. You know what I mean? My skincare has been getting better, but I don't know what's happening here. I just shave a lot, so it's like my skin is getting irritated, so I need to figure out the best way to shave and how to, like, you know, the aftercare, like witch hazel and stuff like that. But sometimes that stuff doesn't work for me, so I don't know. Please recommend something in the comment section down below if you guys know how to get rid of like razor bumps and stuff like that, because I am starting to get those a lot more, and it's annoying. Anyway, that's what makeup is for. Let's go ahead and cover those bitches up.
It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you. Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you. picture of you, a 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 picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. Picture of you, a 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 picture of you. Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride.